Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare rice flour roti, akki roti, instant roti. Ingredients for rice flour roti: 150 grams of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, around 9 numbers of small onion, little curry leaves, 1 green chili, little coriander leaves, salt to taste, and required oil. So we cut the small onion into small pieces and chop the curry leaves, chop the coriander leaves. Take the mixing bowl, add the rice flour. So the akki roti is getting ready. Onion, coriander leaves, curry leaves, grated coconut, cumin seed and black pepper powder, required salt, and we're going to prepare the dough. So we prepared the dough. It's the instant roti. We have prepared the consistency as chapati dough, and we have equally distributed to 3 portions. So we're going to make the roti. Just grease the polythene sheet. So our concern is everyone has to prepare and enjoy. What are the recipes we are showing in this channel? Everything is very easy, and we are explaining in a simple and easy way. So you have to spread the dough, the polythene sheet like this. If you have banana leaves, you can do in that one also. So usually we used to do in banana leaves. So now today we don't have banana leaves, that's why we are using the polythene sheet. So we're going to transfer this one into the tawa. Keep the tawa in flame. Grease the tawa. So remove from the polythene sheet and transfer that one to the tawa. So we are using gingerly oil. We can use the oil as per your preference, or otherwise you can use ghee also. Going to flip to other side. So you can spread in the polythene sheet as much thin you can. Then apply oil. Going to flip again. So you have to keep the flame to medium to low. So it's cooked. So we're going to transfer this one to the serving plate. We are doing the second one also in the same manner. We already prepared and kept. So we transfer. So you have to do all the dough in the same way. Akki Roti, rice flour roti, instant roti from Veggie Research Blogspot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.